was too small for humans to notice. But AI saw the data and raised the alarm. The AI system analyzed the flow rates and pressure data in real time, identifying anomalies that indicated a potential leak. In another case, AI predicted that a pipeline section was about to fail. By analyzing historical data and current conditions, the AI system was able to forecast a potential failure before it happened. Operators were able to shut down that section and make repairs. This proactive approach prevented a major disaster and saved the company millions in potential damages and environmental cleanup costs. These are just two examples of how AI is making pipelines safer. By continuously monitoring and analyzing data, AI systems can detect issues before they become critical, ensuring the safety and reliability of our pipeline infrastructure. The integration of AI in pipeline management is not just a technological advancement, it's a crucial step towards a safer and more efficient future.
Section 5. AI engineers, the pipeline's best friend. AI engineers are the brains behind this technology. They are the ones who conceptualize and bring to life the intricate systems that make our pipelines smarter and safer. Their work involves a deep understanding of both artificial intelligence and the specific needs of pipeline infrastructure. They design the AI systems. This involves creating algorithms that can predict potential issues before they become serious problems. By using advanced machine learning techniques, they ensure that the AI can learn from past data and improve over time. They train the AI models. Training involves feeding the AI vast amounts of data so it can recognize patterns and make accurate predictions. This step is crucial for the AI to function effectively in real-world scenarios. They work hard to make sure the AI is accurate and reliable. This involves rigorous testing and validation processes to ensure that the AI can handle various situations and provide reliable results. Their dedication ensures that the technology is robust and dependable.
The future of pipeline safety is bright thanks to AI. With continuous advancements and improvements, AI technology is set to revolutionize how we monitor and maintain pipelines, making them safer and more efficient. AI engineers are playing a vital role. Their expertise and hard work are essential in developing and implementing these advanced systems. They collaborate closely to ensure that every aspect of the AI is optimized for the best performance. They are making pipelines safer for everyone. By leveraging AI, they are able to detect potential issues early, prevent accidents, and ensure the smooth operation of pipeline infrastructure. Their efforts are crucial in protecting both the environment and the communities that rely on these pipelines.